Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to convert a YouTube video into an MP3 file. Before we begin, make sure to check out our latest offer in the description below. Let's get started. You might be wondering how to easily turn a YouTube video into an MP3. Well, it's actually quite simple, and I'll guide you through the process using an online tool. The first thing you need to do is download the YouTube video. Start by heading to youtube.com and signing into your account by clicking on the Sign In button in the top right corner. Once logged in, click on your profile icon and select YouTube Studio from the menu. In the YouTube Studio, go to the Content section. Here, find the video you want to download. For example, I'll choose this one. Click on the three dots next to the video and select Download. The download will start, and it might take a few seconds or minutes depending on your internet speed. While the video is downloading, we can prepare the software we'll use for the conversion. In this case, we'll be using VLC Media Player. Simply go to google.com, search for VLC, and click on the link to the official website. Once on the VLC page, click Download VLC to get the installer. After the file has been downloaded, run the installer to complete the installation process. After installing, open VLC Media Player. You should see the main interface. In the top left, click on Media, then select Convert, Save from the drop-down menu. Now, you'll need to select the file you want to convert. Click the Add button and choose the video file you downloaded earlier. After that, click Open. Next, click the Convert, Save button at the bottom. A new window will pop up, allowing you to select the output format. From the drop-down menu, select the MP3 option under the Audio Profile section. Scroll down a bit and choose Audio MP3. Then click Browse to choose where you want to save the MP3 file. It's essential to change the file extension to MP3 before clicking Save. Now, click Start to begin the conversion process. You'll see a progress bar at the bottom indicating how long it will take. Once the process is finished, the MP3 file will be saved in the location you chose earlier. And that's it. You now have your MP3 file ready to enjoy. It's a pretty simple process, and you'll be able to do it with ease. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more tutorials.